I believe this is the problem that you were talking about. And the way I like to look at anything like this is I take the two things that they're talking to me about and I draw circles. Just like when we did the mixture problems and we had the little vials. I draw circles and I say, okay, so we're talking about land that is leasing for $200 per acre and land that is leasing for $300 per acre. So my $200 per acre is in this circle. My $300 per acre is in this circle. And it tells me that there are 140 acres total. So here's my circle for the total. And the cost of the whole 140 acres is $37,000. So I'm just labeling things as I go right now. And I know that if I add the two together, the acreage, if I add what's in this circle and what's in this circle, it adds up to 140 acres. Now here's the thing. I don't know how much is leased at $200 per acre, and I don't know how much is leased at $300, but I do know that if this circle has an X amount in it, then this circle has to have 140 minus X in it. Because if the total is 140 and I take out the X, then I'm left with the 140 minus the X. It's just like if you had 5 apples in your hand, a total of 5 apples, and you took out 2 of them, then over here left in your hand, you would have 5 minus 2 left in your hand. You would have 3 apples left in your hand. So anytime you know one thing, the other one has the total minus the one thing in it. So this is where that equation is coming from in your book. You got your price times the acreage, and it's equal to a total of $37,000. Now, if you have a little trouble actually doing that, let's look at another page here so that I can put that on there for you. So 200x plus 300 times 140 minus x is equal to the total price, which is $37,000. And you just do your distributing. So you'd have 200x plus, let's see, whatever 300 times 140 is. Let me get my calculator out. 300 times 140, because I'm distributing, so that would be 42,000 minus 300x equals 37,000. So now I have a basic algebra equation. I've got 200 minus 300 is minus 100. And if I bring the 42,000 across the equal sign, I will have 37,000 minus 42,000. So I will have minus 5,000. And if I divide both sides by minus 100, I get x is 500. So I'm leasing 500 acres at $200 per acre. And if I take the, no, sorry, not 500. 5,000 divided by 100 is 50. Now I'm looking at that and going, that's not right. So 50 acres at $200 per acre, and then if you do 140 minus the 50, you can figure out how much you're leasing at $300 per acre. So 140 minus 50 is 90. So 90 acres at $300 per acre. So you've got the 50 here and then the 90 for the other one.